All right, guys, I'm gonna be starting out talking about the environmental impacts of energy use and production. So to start off, we have 7.8 billion people on planet Earth. So let's just say that each civilian vehicle that one of these people have emits about 400 grams of CO2 a mile. That'll translate to about 4.6 metric tons a year. And let's just say that half of that 7.8 billion has the vehicle. So that'd be 4.6 metric tons, which will be 8,600 tons times 3.9 billion. My calculator, each calculator I looked at did not even want to try and calculate how much that would be. And that's just with civilian vehicles. Let's talk about actual heavy machinery, which emits about 400 metric tons a year. How much heavy machinery do we have? That's unknown, but let's just say it's going to be around in the billions as well. And if you add the two together, that's only from vehicles, and we still have a lot more just from industry use. So each industry also needs fossil fuels in order to create another energy, even if it is their employees driving to work, they needed a fossil fuel in order to drive to work. And the most familiar fossil fuels that we have are oil, diesel, coal, and gasoline, of course. These are all mined from the earth. So, in order to try and protect the constant burning of fossil fuels, renewable energies have also been on the rise, but we will also get to that at a later. And Russia, China, the United States are all top three energy use. China is seen to be the world's most large produced hand goods maker. Russia has the largest coal and oil reserve in the whole world. And the US has a very rapid and growing economy, and its people are very privileged with how they live. Going with environmental impacts of energy use. So let's keep it going. We're talking about the burning of these fossil fuels. So mining for these fossil fuels create air and water pollution. Fossil fuels emit into the air gases that us as humans are not able to breathe, and these gases include such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and methane. So when mining for these fuels, it destroys the land. And there's one thing in this world that no one is able to get, it is land. No one is able to produce land on their own. But the land that they are mining from, it gets contaminated, corroded, and a lot of deforestation is also done in the process. So to the renewable energies and solutions. So electric vehicles are seen to be the new future, but are they really worth it? I don't think so. So the materials needed, three of the main materials needed in order to build an EV battery are lithium, cobalt, and manganese. So lithium is a very commonly used battery product, but the process of mining this is it has to be so the process for flattening lithium is it has to be fished out of the groundwater in South Africa and South America. And obviously with this groundwater, it becomes contaminated and it would never be able to be used for the rest of its lifetime. So it seems to just be stuck as a pond just for lithium. And if anyone consumes it, obviously they will get sick or die. So the cobalt is one of the other materials. Cobalt is mined directly from the ground in the Democratic Republic of the Congo and Australia. And these lands have suffered drastically and have started to have somewhat wars just due to people wanting to buy this land in order to get the product that this land creates. Manganese is also one of these materials. Manganese is also mined in South Africa and has had recent discoveries in deep seawater. So in the foreseeable future, manganese will also be contaminating the land and the water. So a couple of solutions in order to get rid of this is a couple of renewable energies that include wind power and solar power. So wind power, an easy example of this is a windmill. Everyone's seen a windmill, but these windmills, they produce electricity. Electricity is something that is needed in order for all industries to also thrive. The wind is never going to stop, no matter how much we try to stop it.